Good morning, my dear children. I wish you a blessed day. Today is Father's Day. So, happy Father's Day for all my friends. Our father is a hero for us. He cares for us. He motivates us. He buys toys. He brings us to different places for fun and enjoyment. He helps our studies. He nourishes our hobbies. So, we are going to give him a greeting card on this day. First, take our card and give a color that you like to this die. You could use crayons or sketch pen. Did you understand what's written inside your card? Happy Father's Day. Color it with sketch pen. Choose any color you like. Put your magic finger into the chosen paint and make impressions. After it got dry, do as I do. Wow, superb! What's this? This is a butterfly. Give this card to your dad. Thank you all for listening our class very carefully. Bye. Take care and stay safe.